From a single drifting seed, a dandelion begins an incredible journey of growth and renewal. The life cycle starts when the seed lands and germinates, sending roots into the soil and a small sprout upward. It grows into a leafy rosette, absorbing sunlight and building strength. Soon, a bud forms and rises on a slender stem, opening into a bright yellow flower. After pollination, the flower transforms into a delicate white seed head, often called a puffball. Each seed is carried by the wind, traveling to new places where it can land, grow, and begin the cycle all over again.